All hail VBS!
All hail VBS!
Up, up VBS!
Up, up VBS!
All hail VBS!
All hail VBS!
Up, up VBS!
Up, up VBS!
Day 1. Let us all get firm in faith,
Let us all get firm in faith,
heeding to God's promises.
heeding to God's promises.
Keep still and walk in faith.
Keep still and walk in faith.
We will see the deliverance.
We will see the deliverance.
Just as God let Moses lead
Just as God let Moses lead
His chosen people through the sea,
His chosen people through the sea,
let God guide us in every deed.
let God guide us in every deed.
Victory we'll surely see.
Victory will surely see.
Victory we'll surely see.
Victory will surely see.
All hail VBS!
All hail VBS!
Up, up VBS!
Up, up VBS!
Day 2. Let us hear the voice of God.
Let us hear the voice of God.
Learn about His protocol.
Learn about His protocol.
Just as Samuel listened to the Lord
Just as Samuel listened to the Lord
and obeyed his God in all,
and obeyed his God in all.
caring and sharing and living in peace,
Caring and sharing and living in peace
are the ways that we should learn,
are the ways that we should learn,
responding to our God's grace.
responding to our God's grace.
Forces of evil we should burn.
Forces of evil we should burn.
Day 3. Let us all accept our God,
Let us all accept our God,
our provider and all in all,
our provider and all in all.
just as He took care of Elijah.
Just as He took care of Elijah,
We must thank His providence.
we must thank His providence.
Do not worry, be assured.
Do not worry, be assured.
He will give us all we need.
He will give us all we need.
We should follow Him for sure
We should follow Him for sure.
and be part of His family.
Be part of His family.
Day 4. Let us all trust in the Lord.
Let us all trust in the Lord.
He will shield us with His wings,
He will shield us with His wings.
help us overcome our fears,
Help us overcome our fears
and move up with confidence.
and move up with confidence.
Elisha prayed to the Lord
Elisha prayed to the Lord
to open the eyes of His servant.
to open the eyes of His servant.
Let us also see God's angels
Let us also see God's angels
waiting for our protection.
waiting for our protection.
Day 5. Let us be like the servants who
Let us be like the servants who
use their talents faithfully.
use the servants faithfully.
Let us not be like the one
Let us not be like the one
who just hid it lazily.
who just hid it lazily.
Join our hands to work for the Lord.
Join our hands to work for the Lord.
Count every blessing we have.
Count every blessing we have.
Actively participate
Actively participate
in the building of His kingdom.
in the building of His kingdom.
Day 6. Let us learn from Peter's life
Let us learn from Peter's life
that God is supreme in all,
that God is supreme in all,
not by skill sets but by guidance.
not by skill sets but by guidance.
Christ alone can raise our prospects.
Christ alone can raise our prospects.
Step by step walking with God,
Step by step walking with God,
following His every word,
following His every word,
going all around the world
going all around the world
with the lighted gospel lamp.
with the lighted gospel lamp.
Day 7. Let us go to all those nations,
Let us go to all those nations,
spread the gospel all around.
spread the gospel all around.
This is God's great project.
This is God's great project.
Let us all participate.
Let us all participate.
Just as Jesus sent the disciples,
Just as Jesus sent the disciples,
filling them with the power of God,
filling them with the power of God,
we should also get God's word
we should also get God's word
to fill us too with the power of God.
to fill us too with the power of God.